Firstly, can you open your camera again?
Yeah.
Can you open your camera again?
Yes.
Yeah, now you're visible to me. So good morning.
Good morning.
So how are you doing?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also doing great. So we are meeting first time. So can I know something about you?
Yes. My name is Sujika and I'm from Delhi. And I'm currently studying in 11th standard.
Yeah, that's very fantastic, sister. So may I introduce myself?
Yes.
Okay, so my name is Suniti Kumari. I am from Jharkhand. As I'm studying class 9, I have 5 members in a family and I have 3 siblings, one me and 2 small brothers. And my hobby is to learn English language and to learn something new. As well as I am eager and curious to learn English language, even though I am running to YouTube channel. That's all about me.
Okay.
Yeah. So I just wanted to ask you one question: that why do you think like English is very important to us, and why are you learning English language?
English is very important for us to learn because it is the global language. We can communicate. We can use it to communicate other persons who live in different countries. That's why.
Yeah, you are absolutely right. That I agree with your point. English is very, very important for us nowadays because it is a common for everybody. And if we want to connect to the people globally, so that's why English is very, very necessary for us. And we can also say like that for the higher studies, English is very important. For taking also a good job, English is very, very important for us. Everywhere we find English, and English is very, very necessary for us. If we also wanted to connect to the foreigner peoples, and even though if we go to the southern places where we find that they are speaking their native language and we are also speaking our native language, so that's why for the communication purpose also English is very, very necessary for us, and we should learn English language. So I just think that English is very important.
Yes.
Yeah. So I just wanted to ask one question, like from when did you started to learn this language, and what the difficulties you faced when you started to learn?
Mm, like I'm studying it from like beginning, I think, from first class. And the problem I face is like when I communicate with others, I am very hesitant English with others. That is the problem.
Yeah, that is a common problem for everybody. Like when I also started to learn English language, to speak English language, I was facing a lots of difficulties in speaking English language. In my mind, nothing were coming that what I have to say, what I have to speak in front of anybody. I was hesitating. I was fearing so much that what I have to speak, and lots of hesitation were in my mind, in my heart also. I can say for the overcome of my fearing and the hesitation, we have to practice a lot. If we will practice a lot, then we can be overcome of the hesitation, and if we will speak at the regular basis, then we can see a good result in ourselves, that we are speaking well, and day after day we can see a good result in ourselves, that we are improving ourselves of speaking English language.
Yes.
Okay, so how do you practice English language?
Um, I, I just started today, like communicating with you,
Oh,
and
okay. Like
yeah,
from today on you start to speak English language.
yes.
Okay, that's very fantastic. So can I ask one question, like do you have any YouTube channel?
No, I don't have any YouTube channel. Like I just have one. Like it's art and craft, not of English, not an English channel.
That's very fantastic. So do you have any question to me?
Yes. Can you repeat?
You have any question to me?
Like how do you practice speaking English?
So talking about the practicing English language, I'm not getting much time to practice English language as I'm a student and I also focus on my study. So that's why whenever I just get the half an hour or 1 hour, I just practice in the Skype application only. And even though I'm not using any other application except a Skype application, I'm also not able to practice at my home. Only whenever I just get the half an hour or 1 hour, I just started to practice English language. I just get time only I practice English language. And I can suggest to those people who want to learn English language, like they should follow firstly the grammar rules, and after that they should learn the LSRW, because LSRW is very necessary for us, like listening, reading, writing and speaking. If the people will follow like this tip, then they can easily learn English language very soon. And the last thing I wanted to suggest that they should follow the regular practice, because regular practice is very necessary for us. Because I have also seen in myself, like when my examination was going on of the 8S standard, at the time before the examination I was practicing English language. And when my examination was going on, I just left it to speak English language. After completing my examination, I again started to speak English language, but I was facing a lot of problem at the time. Yeah, I was not able to express all those things. So that's why at the time I understood that regular practice is very necessary for us. If we will maintain the regular practice, then only we can speak very well English language. So that's why we should practice English language on the regular basis. And the people, they should also practicing English on the regular basis. So I also wanted to ask one more question to you, that what do you think, that audio call for the English practice is important or the video call is important?
I think the video call is much better because we can see the gestures, hand gestures, and the body language also. That's
Yeah,
why.
yeah, you're right. Video call is very important, because in the audio call, everybody can speak English language. But if we will face the camera only, then we can be overcome of the hesitation. So that's why people, they should speak in the video call, through which they can easily speak with a confident English language. In the audio call, everybody, they can speak English language. But when we are talking about the video call, most of the student or most of the people, they are not able to speak English language. So that's why I would suggest that we should speak in the video call also. And talking about the problem is that if we want to overcome of the hesitation or the fearness of the English language, then we should be speaking the video call only.
Yes. So, where do you live in Jharkhand?
Yeah, I live in Hazaribagh.
Okay. And in which school do you study?
Yeah, I study in UV school. And
Same, same.
what?
I study in Rosary School.
Okay, that's fantastic. So, do you speak English language in your school also?
Sometimes I speak in English language with my friends, and sometimes in Hindi.
Okay. I have to ask one question, that are you from the CBSE board or the other board?
I'm from CBSE board.
Okay. Okay, so are you from the English or the Hindi medium school?
I'm,
Okay, that's good, that's good. So I just think that, do you have any more question to me?
what about you? Do you also study in English medium school?
Yeah, I study in English medium school.
Oh,
Yeah. Yes, I can see that you can improve English language very soon if you practice English language.
can you repeat?
Like you can easily speak very soon English language if you will practice English language.
Sorry, it was good.
Okay, no problem. As I think that we have covered all those things, so shall we end our session now?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm so much happy to talk with you. So thank you so much for giving me such a time to talk with me. Thank you so much. Bye.
Welcome. Thank you to you also. Bye.